sir.
You may. You may indeed. Oh, you fucking... There you go.
Up, down you want to go?
No, fucking up I want to go. It's in my fucking way. Now I want to go down because I've gone too far up.
I didn't even know you could fucking higher or lower these
Of
ones.
course I fucking can. Fucking... Oh, there it is.
How the?
You fucking push it up. And then you push it in. And then you can put it down.
Fuck me. All the times I've had transport, even the fucking other one, I didn't even realise I could do it. Jesus Christ! I'm driving.
He didn't know he could move seatbelt things. He could
No,
adjust
you
the
can
height.
do it in a car, but in a van, didn't look like it was movement for it to go. Like,
It's the same seatbelts, innit? In the same track runners.
can't do that in my Beetle.
Ah! Sapppninnn!
Tell you what's happening.
Beards is back in the house, biatch!
We're getting it done.
Is the RNLI in the way? I don't know, innit? Let's just tuck it.
Tuck it.
Oh, that's tuck nothing, innit?
Jesus.
Oh, fuck it. It's in the way if it's in the way. It's real life, innit?
Yeah, no fake stuff going on here. Real life commodities.
I'm dying. That's what's happening. 2 days ago.
Fill in replacements now, please.
Yeah, good luck with that.
I need someone that does everything.
I know everything. I do fucking everything.
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 He does nothing except whinge and pretend he's in the wrong when he's not. Pretend he's hard done by us when he's not in the wrong. So 2 days ago, I've moved house, innit? And joined a new doctor's surgery to get my asthma medication and stuff in it on prescription. And I was in there, and while I was in there, he went, "Oh, I'll give you a flu jab." And I was like, "Oh, go on, crack on that." So he's done that. Since that, I felt like that. I don't really want to wake up when I've been sleeping, and also I got a lump on my arm.
Let's have a look at your lump. Show us your lump.
Well, no, it's under layers of thing now, isn't it? Furthermore, also, the same thing every time, right? Every time I join the doctors, go somewhere, whatever, they take my blood. Oh, let's take your blood pressure while you're here. Go on then, let's take your blood pressure. Every time they all say the same shit. But that is, yes, and then nothing ever happens. Oh, we'll have to do something about that. Nothing happens, I'm telling you. So, he took it, something happened, rocked my world. I've now got to go in, I've been booked in for an ECG, which I looked up. No, that's a defibrillator, isn't it?
You might need that one later.
Oh, you might need it if you carry on. And I got to have some sort of 24-hour blood pressure monitor stuck on me by the hospital. So all in all, I think I'm pretty much dying. And I'll be honest, I can't wait. Just so I don't have to look at his face anymore.
Almost killing him today, no joke.
That's right.
Is that another video or this video?
There's another video in which we are querying his brake fluid in his Beetle. With good reason.
Fair.
Jesus. Look at this.
I do actually know him. Yeah. Not a jackass one either.
What colour is that?
It's salmon.
Is that like child touching purple? No, slam though, isn't it?
Hopefully he doesn't watch the video.
No, I'm only joking. I'm only joking. It stands out though.
It does. He did have nice big wheels in it, like the mom's sort of chrome ones. You know what I'm on about? I did the thing again.
Num, what
Oh
about?
look, I haven't eaten. Feed me.
I know he hasn't eaten.
I've gone
so-
back into that
so
thing where I
everything he
start
tries-
doing fucking auctions.
Everything he tries to say just sounds like om nom 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 nom, which is the sound he makes when he's eating.
I've gone back into auction mode.
Go on, crack on with it for a minute then.
Sold.
Jesus. Keep a receipt and I take our one back. Little digger.
Yeah, there's smoke on this, isn't it?
Oof. That thing's got more smoke coming out of it than I've got coming out of me. Oh, look, I did actually buy a new drip tip as well.
Drip tip.
Metal this time,
Got the
so
drip
when
bit
I
right,
drop
didn't
it,
you? Jesus.
well, do you want to just see my tip or what?
Whatever you didn't do it. Why don't play that way?
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 Sold.
And on that note, that is the end of a very short chatting shed. Tune in again for more nonsense. Ta-da now.